everyone, happy holidays. So today we are going to make our second DIY Christmas gift for men. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the aftershave recipe. What you need is just a simple recipe, but let it be all natural, that you can give to your loved one as a gift this Christmas. Okay, so today we are going to make DIY men's cologne spray. Okay, it's very simple and easy. What we are making here is probably things you already have at home. Just use it and fix up some DIY natural skincare products for your loved ones, people around you. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to introduce the ingredients we're going to use for this men's cologne spray. So what you need a container, a spray bottle. You need a spray bottle that you can mix everything in it. Then I'm going to be using lemon essential oil. Don't know yet. So I'm going to be using lemon essential oil. I'm going to use lavender essential oil, frankincense essential oil. I'm going to add cool water for men fragrance oil, just a drop of it. If you don't have it, don't bother. The essential oils are okay. It's still going to smell good and fresh. I just love to add this, just a drop. It's optional. If you don't have it, don't bother. Just use what you have. It will work. And you need high proof vodka. Okay, you need high proof vodka, like around 99% vodka, if you can find it. If you can't find it, just make use of this. Like me, I didn't find it around here. I didn't see it around here, so I'm gonna use this. I'm using Smirnoff vodka. Okay, we are making spray, that's why we are using vodka. We are not making spray because you still have the oil version of it. If you don't want to make the spray, you can make the fragrance oil for him. You don't need to add. If you are going to make the fragrance oil, you just use use all these essential oils that I showed you, then add almond oil or jojoba oil, okay, to it. Same measurements. That's what I'm going to use. So to start, first thing you do is get your bottle, your spray bottle. Make sure you sanitize it. I have sanitized mine. Sanitize it properly with alcohol. So get your spray bottle ready. So you're going to start with our lemon essential oil. So I'm going to add 12 drops. Okay, I'm going to add 12 drops of my lemon essential oil. So take the drawer, bottle, 1, 2, 12 drops of lemon essential oil. Then next is frankincense essential oil, and I'm going to be adding 18 drops of frankincense essential oil. So next I'm going to add lavender essential oil. I'm going to add lavender essential oil, and we're going to be adding 12 drops also. Remember, lemon essential oil 12 drops, frankincense 18 drops, and lavender 12 drops also. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 12. then just a drop of my cool water for men fragrance oil. Remember, if you don't have it, you can skip it. So just add. Then so here we have every oil, our essential oils here. So remember, what I have here is lemon essential oil 12 drops, frankincense essential oil 18 drops, and 12 drops of lavender essential oil. So what we're going to do next is take your vodka, so take your vodka and top it. Use this just to fill it up. I am using 1 ounce bottle. Sorry guys, I didn't remember to tell you. You need a 1 ounce bottle, okay? So just take it and fill it up. Cover it. And that is it. So give it a shake. So shake it well. As you can see, after shaking it, you can see the color is like up. My lights will not let you see. So after shaking it, keep it to sit for 1 week. Okay, we are keeping it to sit for 1 week. I like doing so. It's optional. You can skip that. You can, not that it doesn't smell good. It smells good. You can still use it straight away. But I love to keep it to marinate, you know, for all the aromas to marry properly before using it or before giving it out. Okay, so I'm making it now. I'm going to keep it to sit for 1 week before Christmas. So make yours now so that you can give it as a gift before Christmas Day. So, oh my God, it smells so good. Ooh, it smells so nice everywhere. The aroma is so good. So that is it, guys. Very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoy it, just give it a thumb up. Okay, if you are new to my channel, I'm NG Styles. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because making more organic rich products, DIYs, recipes. Okay, DIY recipes. All right guys, see you guys in my next video. If you have any question, drop it down below and I will find time to answer you. I know I am so busy, that's why I have to make this video in the morning. So see you guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful. Bye bye. Love you.